Hello and welcome once more to Cooking with Efia. Today I share with you this simple Ghanaian snack. This is Nkati cake or peanut brittle. It's very easy to put together with just few ingredients. You are going to achieve this deliciousness. If today has been your first time on this channel and you haven't still subscribed to my channel, kindly do and be part of this beautiful family. Now without wasting my time, let's dive right into the video. For ingredients, I'm going to be using fresh peanuts, sugar, and butter. As you can see, this is very easy, as I said. So now let's get started. To a heated pot, I'll go in with the fresh peanuts. I will roast it very well until it's nice and well cooked. Remember as well to fry this on low medium heat because we don't want the peanut to fry easily. You can as well roast this in your oven or in your air fryer if you don't want to waste time. So now let's roast it until it's nice and ready. Alright, so after roasting the peanuts for about 20 minutes, as you can see, the skin is really coming off very easily, and that is what indicates that the peanut is getting ready. But as you can see, the peanut is looking very whitish, indicating that it's not ready. So I'll fry or roast it for about 20 minutes more until the peanut changes in color very well, just like this. And at this point, it is very easy to peel off the skin, and also the groundnut itself looks a little bit brown, and that means it is ready. And so this is what I'm talking about. As you can see, at first it was very white, but this time around it's a little bit brown, and that's just perfect. So I will allow this to cool down a little bit so that it will be very easy to work with. All right, so now the peanut has cooled down very well, and I'm going to use the help of this potato masher to peel off the skin from the peanuts. You can also use the poly we use to grind in asanka. Alright, so you can also use your hand as well if you don't have the two. So now let's peel off the skin until everything is nice and perfect. Whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my videos, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after I am done peeling off the skin from the peanuts, I'll transfer everything into my asanka, and I'm going to use my wooden masher to grind it until I achieve the perfect consistency that I want. You can also use your blender or your food processor to crush it a little bit to achieve this consistency as well. And at this point, this is the right consistency that I'll be going for, so I'll just set it aside and move on with the next step. So moving forward to a heated pan, I'll go in with some sugar and allow it to melt until it's nice and well caramelized. Remember as well to do this on low medium heat until you achieve the perfect consistency, or else you're going to have a burnt sugar, and we don't want that. Alright, so whilst that is going on, if you haven't given this video a thumbs up yet, please do well to give this video a thumbs up. Also share this video to reach wider audience. Thank you so much for doing that. So the sugar is almost done, so I'll go in with my margarine or butter. I'll stir everything together until it's nice and well combined. And so the butter is also going to add extra taste to the Nkati cake or peanut brittle as well. Trust me, if you haven't tried this combo, you are missing out a whole lot of deliciousness. Kindly try it and thank me later. Alright, so now the sugar is almost done. So when the sugar begins to caramelize like this, or begins to turn into a brown color like this, that means it is ready. So after it's ready, I'll go in with my peanut and I'm going to stir everything together until the sugar binds well with the groundnut very well. Remember as well to do this on low medium heat to avoid the peanut from burning. If you are still with me at this point and you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, please do want to subscribe to the channel because subscribing is absolutely free. So do want to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much for doing that. So after everything is nice and well combined, I'll transfer everything into my working surface and I will spread it out very well because when it dries out it's going to be very difficult for me to roll it. So as soon as you take it from the heat, you just have to start to roll it until it becomes very flat. All right, just the way you see it on the screens right now. So after rolling it to get this flat surface, it's so very hot, so I'll go in with my knife and I'll cut it to my desired shapes. You can also cut this into any shapes that you want, and just look at how beautiful it turned out, and the taste was just amazing as well. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this peanut brittle or Ghana Nkati cake recipe. It came out so good and I hope you're going to try this. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe to my channel, also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video on this channel, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much and kindly stay blessed. Bye.